Birds. These are water balls. This is a nest for birds. Okay. And this is a food for birds. Today you will learn how we should take care of the birds. We should give food to the bird. Okay, give food to the birds. And we should give water to the birds. Okay. God loves birds and save trees. God loves the bird. Save cages. We should not keep birds in the nest. Okay? So save birds and let them live. Okay? Yes. You know there are different type of birds like parrot, pigeon, sparrow. Okay? And they are taking different type of food. Some are taking seeds and some are taking fruits. Okay, so give fruits and seeds to the birds. Because this is a nest. Yes, so we should not break the nest. हमें birds के nest को तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, don't break the nest. Take care of the nest. Okay. We'll give the water and food. Food कौन देगा birds को? Very good. Will you give foods to the birds?